In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get stock data in Google Sheets using Google Finance. This method is very useful for those of you who wish to track stock market information and analyze trends directly within a spreadsheet. It requires no additional plugins or downloads, making it a very straightforward process. To begin with, you'll need to navigate to Google Sheets. You can access this by logging into your Google account and heading over to Sheets, where you can either open an existing spreadsheet or create a new one to work on. Once you have your spreadsheet ready, we move on to the next crucial step. Now it's time to enter the key formula that will allow us to extract stock data. Click on a cell where you would like the data to appear and type in the formula equal Google Finance. This is the base of your function that will call upon Google's financial database. Following this, you'll need to add the stock ticker. Within the parentheses of the formula, you'll put the stock ticker symbol inside quotation marks. For instance, if you're interested in getting data for Apple, you would enter AAPL. This method is vital if you're monitoring specific stocks. Adding an attribute is optional, but it can be incredibly useful if you're seeking specific pieces of data about a stock. For example, after the ticker, you may insert a comma, and then an attribute like price for the current price or EPS for earnings per share, again enclosed in quotation marks. This adds precision to your data inquiry. To clarify, let's consider a few examples. If we wanted to get the current price of Apple, we would use the formula equals Google Finance AAPL. For Google, use a Google Finance Goog price to pinpoint the current price. Similarly, to determine Microsoft's earnings per share, you would input a Google Finance MSFT EPS. These formulas will automatically populate the cells with the respective data as soon as you hit enter. Additionally, there's an option to generate historical data by including a date range and selecting an interval like daily or weekly. To illustrate, if you're aiming to retrieve the daily stock prices for Google throughout 2022, you could formulate it like this. Google Finance, Goog, price, date 2022 1/1, date 2022 12/31, daily. This will give you a detailed overview of the specified period. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to pull stock data into Google Sheets using Google Finance. Practicing these steps can not only make your stock tracking more efficient, but also enhance your data analysis skills. Thanks for watching and happy crunching.